All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I haven't given you any coverage on my Z Flip 4, but I am still using this every day, and I'll be giving you a follow-up video pretty soon. But I decided to go ahead and jump on Amazon and buy me some new cases. So we're gonna start with these cases. I just randomly got on there and got some different cases. So they were affordable. This one was like 10 bucks, and I wanted a solid black case, and this is the one I decided to grab. So this is like a faux leather, but it has like padding on here, and it's got the hard plastic and then a soft material on the inside to protect against the device from getting scratched. Looks like you got some spots for lanyards right there and right there. Do people still use lanyards? I don't know. But this is the cutout for the camera. And I like how these cutouts like this go. I don't like the cutouts where it's split right there. I just think it looks pretty cool like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on. Yeah, that looks great. I like that. I like that look. So you can see on the front of the device here, you can see how it's cut out just circular around here, and the LED is cut out separately. The reason I like that is because you get some form of protection. See how deeply recessed it is? That's just, I don't know, I just like it like that. Along this side here, nothing. On the top, it's all your ports, the dual microphones, the USB, the speaker, and another microphone there. And on this side here, you have your fingerprint reader and volume rocker. So that is how it looks, man. I mean, I'm going to test it with wireless charging. It works with wireless charging, but yeah, let's grab the wireless charger. They're guaranteeing that it works with wireless charging. So we're about to find out. There it is. Wireless charging works. So this first one is actually pretty nice, man. Let's get the second one open here. And again, folks, I just randomly jumped online and started looking for cases. This is like a faux wood style. I wanted something like this too. Oh, that feels great. I can already tell I'm gonna like this one. Wow. Oh yeah, that looks good. I like the little subtle, it feels like wood. It's supposed to be wood, but I don't know. It feels like a soft, it feels nice. There's the branding there. Let's pop this off. Yeah, I'm gonna rotate and give some love. In this case right here was only 6 bucks. This case was $6. That's crazy, right? It looks good too. Oh yeah, that's boss mode right there. Now this one is a little bit more boxy in feel than this one, but it feels really good. It fits. So you can see here again, the same manufacturers are making them. Lanyards on the corners here if you're gonna put lanyards. Then you got that little branding down there. And then on this side here, obviously all the ports. And then this port side on the ports here, and that's it. And then you have the display here. Nice cutout. That is really nice, man. This one is a little bit more flat in design, and I like that. I'm good ready to rock with this one. It's amazing. The $6 case is the one that $6 case is the one that I actually end up liking. They sell this in black too, but I'll go ahead and put a link down below, but let's check wireless charging for this one. This one's supposed to work too with wireless charging. And it works. So that's a quick look at my new cases, man. I am feeling this. This is pretty nice. So $6 and $10. I like them both, but I definitely like the way this one feels. I'm just gonna keep them both. But I mean, 2 cases for less than 20 bucks. You just can't beat it. So I want to give you some love on the Z Flip 4 owners. I did not forget you. I'm actually recording with the Z Fold 4 in the famous 6:5 aspect ratio for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed. And I gotta get on this meeting. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.